What's up, YouTube? It's Danno with Nerd Hobbies. I've got another box of pennies. Gonna be hunting through them looking for wheat pennies or anything else interesting. Gotta go ahead and open it and make sure it's circulated. Let's get in here. Definitely some circulation. I don't see any wheat penny enders right off the bat. That's interesting. I got a couple of rolls that are just... Oh, those look like they're inside out. That's neat. Well, I'll bring you guys back in if I find anything cool. Well, looks like roll number 2 is going to bring us actually 2 wheat cents back to back. I haven't looked at the obverse, so I don't know what dates they are. So let's check these out. Looks like I've got a 56 Denver, and then this one, the reverse is actually pretty shiny and nice looking. Check that out. That's a 57 Denver. That'll definitely be better than the one that I have in my book right now. So that's pretty cool. 2 wheat pennies in the second roll. So I guess 48 more, and let's hope we find a couple more. Alright guys, this box is looking like it's going to be pretty good. It's from my local SB&T branch. This is roll number 3. We did just have 2 wheats in the second roll, so roll number 3 looks like we got another wheat. I don't know what year it is yet, and we've got 2 of the 2009s. One of them looks like it's almost uncirculated here, so that's a pretty decent find. Let's check out this wheat cent. See what we have here. See if I can get the camera to focus. Looks like we've got a 53D. So that's our 3rd wheat cent of the box out of our first 3 rolls. All right, 6 rolls in, and I've got another wheat cent. It's on the reverse again, so let's look at it together. Sorry for the lighting here. I'm making my own shadows. Looks like we got a 56 out of Denver. All right, let's go ahead and pick through the rest of the roll. Make sure we don't have another double up. All right, I'll bring you guys back in if I find something. I'm up to 4 wheat cents and 2 of the 2009s. Bringing you back in real quick on roll number 7, because I just laid the roll down and I see that wheat back. Let's see what we got. Looks like we're going to have a 52D. This box has a bunch of the 50s Wheaties. Now, I usually average 8 or 9 per box. I've already got 5 in the first 7 rolls, so this looks like it's going to be a pretty good box. Well, I just laid out roll number 8 and took a peek at it. And you see what I see? A little bit of a wheat edge on that right there. So let's check that out. Looks like we got a 51 Philly. So that is wheat penny number 6 out of 8 rolls. So this box is proven to be real nice. I'll bring you guys back in if I find something else. Alright, here we go. The last little bit of roll number 10. And I've got a 52, looks like a Denver. The back is in pretty good shape. Front's a little slick. But that brings us to wheat penny number 7. Picked up another shiny 2009, so I pulled it aside. But we are a 5th of the way through the box, and I am 1 short of my average. So this looks like it's shaping up to be a pretty good box. Well, I'm working on roll 23. See my little growing pile of 2009s. And it looks like I've got another wheat cent. Check out the back of it here, the reverse. It's got some staining on it. Let's see what year it is. Right in my own light. Looks like we got a 23S. I usually don't see too many S mint marks, and I also don't usually see too many 20s Wheaties, so that is a good find. I'll bring you back if I find anything else that's cool. Alright, so roll 28. Got my first foreign find. It's a Canadian. Looks like we got a 1983 Canadian. Set that over here with my finds, and I'll bring it back if I find anything else. Roll 30 brought us our 9th wheat cent. It's a 1946 Philadelphia. So let me just pick through the last of these in this roll and make sure I don't see any more. Alrighty, doesn't look like there's any more in this roll. But that brings my wheat cent count up to 9. And I've still got 20 rolls left, so I'll bring you guys back if I find anything else. Alright, I just laid out roll number 47, and I see a little bit of a wheat edge right there. So let's back up a little bit and see what this is. That's a 1944 Philly. Wish it was on a steel planchet, that'd be worth some money. But I'll take a 44 all day long. Alright, last roll. Let's hope for some end of the box luck. I'm at 10 wheat cents right now, which is one above my average. Got some 2009s and a foreign also. But hopefully, like I said, we get some last roll luck. I'll let you know what I find. Alright, the box is hunted. Didn't really get anything in the last roll. What I do have is about 10 2009s. Most of them look like they're in pretty good shape. I had one foreign, that Canadian 1983. I had a 1923S, which I did a little bit of research. It was about 8 million minted, so that's kind of a rare coin. Pretty happy about that one. 2 from the 40s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from the 50s, including this really nice looking 1957 Denver. It's got pretty good luster on both sides. It's not really worn, so that'll definitely upgrade in my book. So just in addition to the wrap up, here's the wheat cent album that I started on. I've only coin roll hunted 7 or 8 boxes of pennies so far, so I'm obviously missing a whole bunch. Here's the dream coin right there, the 1909 VDB. Doubt I'll ever actually see one of those. But I am missing a bunch, but at least I've got a pretty good start on it. So, would appreciate a like and a subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you want to see something else. Planning on doing another nickel hunt pretty soon, so look forward to that. And I'll see you at the next hunt.